Hi, I'm Ravi Chawla. I'm 26 years old. I'm an engineer currently living in New Delhi. I recently applied for my study permit in Canada. I wanted to pursue my postgraduate education from Canada. From Conestoga College, I selected the course of Strategic Global Business Management. So I completed my engineering in 2018. I wanted to pursue postgraduate studies after that, but I started working as a data analyst in a company in Gurgaon. After gaining a couple of years of experience, I wanted to go for my postgraduate studies in Canada. So I applied for my study permit in Canada and selected Conestoga College, Strategic Global Business Management, which is a 2-year postgraduate diploma program. Starting with my study permit application, I connected with Sahil Sayal, RCIC from Sayal Immigration. After I wrote my IELTS exam, Sahil helped me a lot in deciding the course and the province to study in. He helped me shortlist the right college for my postgraduate education. From there on, the process has been quite seamless and great. From the college applications to the visa application, the whole thing has been handled by him. The whole application process was pretty seamless. I didn't have to get involved much. The whole responsibility was taken by Sahil Sayal himself. He was always a call away from me. Anything I needed, any doubts were cleared by him on the spot. I think the process and the fees was completely worth it. From the day the whole process started to the day I received my PPR, the whole process has been seamless and I haven't had to worry about anything. I have been very well informed through each of the step of the application. The whole process, the filing process of the visa and the application was very professionally done. I had full support from Sayal Immigration in writing the SOP and the cover letter. He handled everything himself. I would definitely recommend Sahil Sayal as an immigration consultant to all my friends and family. I've got my passport request and will get my passport stamped soon. See you all in Canada very soon.